All right, guys. So this is a continuation of the previous video on advanced market structure. So we're going to look at this is GBP USD. I think 4 hours time frame. Yes. So we're going to look at price and then show you how you can look for major structure and minor structure, identifying with the ability that you get from being able to identify major and minor highs and lows in the market. So let's go. I'm going to start from this point here. I'm going to start from this point here. So I'm just going to use my drawing tools. So basically, we have can see here we have an inducement here. Um, in fact, this is not the inducement. This is not the inducement. You can clearly see price pull back here and then broke the structure. So inducement was somewhere here. So and then it led to a break of structure around here. And then we have price created this pullback, did not take an inducement, created this pullback. Yeah, and we have the inducement here and then price less to a break of structure. So basically, this is going to be, I'm going to identify this place as, so this is going to be our major high, and then this is major low, and then we have our major higher high here, and then major higher low here. So let's just continue like that. So what do we have again? We have another inducement sticking. Let's just look for another inducement. So we have inducement swept here, and then led to a break of structure here. And we have price swept this inducement here too again. Price swept this inducement here and led to a break of structure at the top. Adjust this thing accordingly. Led to a break of structure here. So let's so now this is our high sitting right here. No, okay. I'm looking at something. Just saw something here. Okay, this is not. This is not. This is a single candle. So this is our major. So higher highs, and this is our higher low, and we have this as a higher high, higher low, and this higher high was confirmed after price took out this inducement. You need to remember that as soon as price took out this man, this the highest point that price was coming from is going to be our, and then price led to a break of structure. As soon as price led to a break of structure, as soon as price breaks the structure, that is not when we're going to identify this place. No, we need to see price take inducement again, and the price take an inducement. Yes, you can clearly see that this is inducement here because we can clearly see that this candle is the highest point, and then this one candle swept this other candle. So that's literally a pullback. So that's basically price just in this scenario. Price did like this. Yes, went above. Can also see this one. So this is where our okay. Yes, yes. So this is it. Is it? So our inducement is here, and then price went to the extreme point, and then we have our break of structure here. Our break of structure here at this point. So this is our higher high and then higher low, and you can clearly see that. Okay, let us identify these things finish first, and then we then look at internal structure. Why am I doing this? Then that internal structure. Hey, that reminds me, guys. Please, I want you guys to please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the channel, and support us. Just support this journey and this project by just subscribing. Basically, subscribing. We don't need anything. Like the videos if the videos uh gives you values. If you're getting value from the videos, I want you guys to subscribe and like the videos. And if you have watched every other videos and you've not um like and you've not subscribed, please go back, subscribe first, and go back to those videos. Please respond by liking. If you have questions, you can comment them under the comment section, or you send them to this email. You send them to this email. 76. Or you send them to this email. You can send them to this email. Yeah, you can send them to this email. Let me make it. Yeah, so that's just I just wanted to add that. Let me just put it here and then make it red so people can see. All right, it's not good. So, guys, if you have any question, please send it to my email. Please subscribe again and like the videos. Like every videos, please. I need to get a response. I need your feedback to know that okay, what I'm teaching is actually giving is actually valuable to you guys. And then, like I said, you don't have to invest any money. You're not investing any money. You just have to invest your time, and then those pay back by doing these things. And then that's just it. So let's continue. So and then price. So you have price printing this now price break structure took out this percent pullback as an inducement here. So we have the inducements at this point, and then let's say break of structure. Let's say break of structure. And we have an inducement price pullback there did not take anything, went up, created this pullback, and then continue to the upside again. We clearly have an inducement here. So price, this is our inducement, potential inducement sitting around this point here. Yes, this is our inducement. Or hold on, I'm looking at price. I need to make sure that you're not making a mistake because this is not a pullback. A lot of you guys would think this is a pullback. That's not a pullback. You can see that the candle is high and this is the low, and price did not take it out either by single candle or any price just went straight, and then this is the pullback, went up. Yes, price didn't create any pullback. Price didn't create any. So this is actually the inducement. So this is a verified. So these are higher high. There's a major higher high, major higher low. This is wrong. This here is not a major. This is an internal structure. So we have here, we have this high here, we have this. No, that's not right. So we basically have this high as our confirmed because they can see that price took out inducement. Yeah. And then price started coming to the downside. And now you can clearly see that price now took out our what are they calling it? Our protected low here at this point and then shifted into bearish. So now price took out this low here. And now we have a change of structure on this particular time frame. We have a change of structure here on this particular time frame. And we can clearly see price. This is not a pullback because you can see it's not. And the price continues to go to the downside. Price didn't take any inducement. We need to confirm. So this is our confirmed high. So we need to get our confirmed low by waiting for price to take out our inducement. And price did not take out any inducement until this point. Yeah. So you can pause the video and look at it very well. Price to take out our inducement until this point. Yeah. So this is our valid and a confirmed yes lower low, yes, low, major low, bearish low, yes, and then basically that's what we have. That's what we have, and every other thing inside of it. So these are confirmed high, major high, and these are high, lower low. So price took out inducement here, it was confirmed. So basically everything inside of this place was internal structure. So can we train internal structure? Yes, of course. There are ways to train internal structure. So we're going to deal with that in as we progress in the videos as we progress. So let us continue. So we can basically see that this is the kind of price action we have. We have this plot point here. Let me start from the bottom. We have price goes up, come down like this. So this is our structure. This is the valid structure that we have. This is a major structure. This is the major structure, and then we have. Okay, yes, this is confirmed. This is a confirmed low because this is a low that then the price. This is the lowest point that price created before they broke the structure. So that's confirmed. So that was correct. I didn't even look at that very well. It's confirmed, and then let's continue drawing structure, and then price created this, and then price change structure here, creating this new low, and then we can clearly see that price went back and then change structure again. Yeah, so when you have stuff like this, when price change structure and when price takes out investment and then goes and break major highs again. So like I said, when price takes your major high or major low, it basically means price is changing structure. So price change structure again to the bullish side in this point. But everything inside of this place is internal structure. So that's basically it. So now let's look at internal structure. Let's look at the internal structure the price created inside of these major highs and major lows. So you can clearly see, yeah, price creating this pullback internal. So until price broke that high, and we can clearly see this one too. Price didn't really do much. Yes, price did here, pullback here, yeah, they do much, and then we can clearly see after this, and then price took out this meant major. Yes, this is the major high, major low. Everything inside of here was internal structure until price took out everything. And let's continue. And then this is the most visible one that we have here, like very, very crazy. It took this was, I think, about price was in an internal structure for about 11 days, 11 days on fast time frame. That's crazy. Um, you can see price was just doing its thing, sweeping out internal liquidity, breaking the structure, internal break of structure, internal liquidity, internal break of structure, until price was able to finally go and break the major high. You can see also that's just it, and you can clearly see this one. This is the one. This one is even much more massive than this previous one, and this one lasted for about how many days? This one lasted from this point, let's say after the investment, from this point to this point, lasted for about 20 days. You can clearly see there 20 days, almost a month. Also, remaining 10 days to complete a month. Yes, I think almost a month. Yes, because we have just 5 days. We have just 5 trading days in a month. Yes, 5 trading days in a week, rather, times four. Yes, so that's it. So it's 20 days. So that's actually a month. Sef. So we can see the internal structure here, price just creating internal movements. So that's just basically how to identify these things. It's not difficult. It's absolutely not difficult to understand, to grasp. And then once you grasp them, you'll be able to trade the market accordingly. Like I said, I am not teaching how the market works. I'm actually teaching my system and how I trade the market using my system and my approach, using different concepts that I've learned over a long period of time, and I'm bringing them together to create a particular system. So that's how trading is supposed to be. You create a system from different concepts you've learned, and then be able to use that system to stay profitable for a very, very long time until you decide to retire from trading, which is possible. Because once you figure out your system, there's nothing really to learn again. There's nothing really on the technical aspect of things to learn. I believe as a trader, the only thing that we should, once you have figured out your system, you know your system is working, and then what you need to now start working on is you yourself. I'm going to talk about these things in a particular video I'm going to do at later on before we round up this project, this Ike Academic course project. I'm going to do a video talking about these things. So that's it for this video, guys. That's basically what protected highs and lows is: major and minor structure, major and minor high and low, and that's everything that you need to know about advanced market structure. So what I want you guys to do, just like I did here, go back in price. Like I remember I trade only GBPSD, so that's why I'm only using GBPSD. So but this system works across every pair, but you just need to back test it. So um remember, I want you guys to practice, practice, practice. Go back in chat, study these things. You don't have to rush these videos. Study them, watch the videos over and over again until you're able to get them. These things are the things that you need. These things are the things that you need. You'll be able to do them. Like I said, you're not investing any money. You are investing only your time and effort, and then you need to use those things wisely. Use them very well, and then you'll be able to get these things very well. Watch these videos. If you don't understand anything, come back to the video, watch it, take a break, come back, watch it again, and then you'll finally be able to get it. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can type them in the comment section. You can type them in the comment section, send them to me as an email. Like this is the email. You can clearly see the email down here. Remember, please, 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 and please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you are getting value. If you're not getting value, you're cool not to like or subscribe. But if you're getting value, please like this video, subscribe. And if you've watched other videos and you've not done the same, I want you to go back and like those videos. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.